Imagine 30,000 feet in the air. The world below, a patchwork of landscapes, seems distant and surreal. The hum of the engines a constant drone, a reminder of the marvel of modern aviation. You're hurtling through the sky at hundreds of miles per hour, defying gravity and the elements. And yet, amidst this marvel of engineering, a different kind of magic unfolds. A magic that tantalizes your senses and elevates your journey. A symphony of flavors, orchestrated by culinary artisans, awaits. Each dish is a masterpiece, crafted with precision and passion. This is the in-flight dining experience of Qatar Airways, a world where luxury and innovation converge to tantalize your taste buds. Here, dining is not just a necessity, but an experience to be savored. But behind this seamless ballet of service lies a hidden behemoth, a culinary powerhouse that fuels the palates of thousands daily. The Qatar Aircraft Catering Company, or QACC. This facility is the heart of Qatar Airways' culinary excellence. Step inside the QACC, and you'll be greeted by a sight that defies imagination. It's a world where culinary dreams take flight. A sprawling marvel of stainless steel, gleaming surfaces, and a workforce moving with the precision of a Swiss watch. Every corner of this facility buzzes with activity, a testament to the dedication and skill of its staff. This isn't just a kitchen, it's a culinary city, a testament to the airline's unwavering commitment to providing an unparalleled dining experience. Here, innovation meets tradition, and every meal is a journey in itself. Here, over 4,000 culinary professionals from 38 countries work tirelessly, 24 hours a day, to produce a staggering 200,000 meals every single day. Each chef brings their unique touch, creating a mosaic of global flavors. This is no ordinary catering operation. It's a symphony of culinary expertise where every note must be perfect. This is a high-stakes, high-pressure environment where every dish must meet the exacting standards of a discerning international clientele. The pressure is immense, but so is the reward. And it's this relentless pursuit of excellence that has earned Qatar Airways its reputation as a leader in in-flight dining. Passengers from around the world come to expect nothing but the best, and Qatar Airways delivers every single time. The QACC isn't just big, it's colossal. It's a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Spread across a staggering 69,000 square meters, it's larger than some small towns. Imagine a space where every inch is dedicated to the art and science of food preparation. But beyond its sheer size lies a world of meticulous planning, cutting-edge technology, and a deep-rooted passion for food. Every corner of this facility is designed with precision, ensuring that the highest standards are met. This is a place where culinary artistry meets industrial efficiency, where the freshest ingredients from around the globe are transformed into culinary masterpieces. It's a symphony of flavors and techniques, harmonizing to create unforgettable dining experiences. Every day, a torrent of ingredients floods through the QACC's doors. From the moment they arrive, these ingredients are treated with the utmost care and respect. We're talking tons of fresh produce, mountains of premium meats, and a variety of seafood that rivals the best markets in the world, and a sea of spices that would make a sultan blush. These spices are the soul of many dishes, adding depth and character to every bite. It's a logistical ballet, a carefully choreographed dance of deliveries, inspections, and storage, all designed to ensure that only the finest ingredients make it onto a Qatar Airways flight. This process is a testament to the dedication and expertise of the QACC team. And then there's the workforce, a diverse tapestry of cultures and culinary backgrounds, all united by a shared passion for food. Each individual brings their unique skills and experiences to the table. From master chefs with Michelin star experience to skilled line cooks, each member of the QACC team plays a crucial role in this culinary orchestra. Their collective expertise ensures that every meal is a masterpiece. From the initial concept to the final presentation, the journey of each dish is a collaborative effort. The chefs, the planners, the logistics experts all work in harmony to create an unparalleled dining experience. Each member of the QACC team plays a crucial role in this culinary orchestra. It's this unique blend of expertise and dedication that elevates the QACC from a mere catering facility to a culinary powerhouse. It's this unique blend of expertise and dedication that elevates the QACC from a mere catering facility to a culinary powerhouse. The QACC is not just about feeding passengers, it's about creating memorable dining experiences that linger long after the meal is over. Step inside the QACC's production areas, and you'll be greeted by a sight that seems straight out of a science fiction film. Gleaming stainless steel machines hum with an almost sentient energy, their robotic arms moving with balletic precision. This is the cutting edge of culinary technology, where innovation and automation work hand in hand with traditional craftsmanship. Automated ovens churn out perfectly baked bread, robotic arms assemble delicate canapes with surgical precision, and intelligent cooling chambers maintain the ideal temperature for every ingredient. But this isn't about replacing human touch, it's about enhancing it. Technology at the QACC serves a singular purpose: to free up the chefs, to allow them to focus on what they do best, creating culinary magic. Take, for instance, the handling of delicate fruits like dragon fruit. While automated systems whir around them, expertly slicing and dicing vegetables, these delicate beauties are treated with the utmost care, hand-selected and prepared by skilled chefs who understand their unique fragility. It's a testament to the QACC's philosophy. Technology is a tool, but it's the human touch that truly elevates the dining experience. The beauty of travel lies in experiencing new cultures, and for many that journey begins with the first bite of a meal. Food is a universal language, a bridge that connects us to the heart of a place, its people, and its traditions. Every dish tells a story, and every flavor is a chapter in the rich narrative of a region. Qatar Airways understands this, and their in-flight menu is a testament to this philosophy. They believe that a journey should be as enriching as the destination itself, and what better way to start than with a meal that captures the essence of the places you are traveling to or from. It's a culinary passport, a global tapestry of flavors that reflects the airline's extensive international network. Each dish is a carefully crafted experience, designed to take your taste buds on a journey across continents. From the aromatic spices of India to the delicate flavors of Japan, the QACC's menu reads like a culinary map of the world. Imagine savoring the rich, complex spices of a traditional Indian curry, or the subtle, refined taste of Japanese sushi, all while cruising at 35,000 feet. Each dish is carefully curated, a harmonious blend of authenticity and innovation. The chefs at Qatar Airways are not just cooks, they are culinary artists who take pride in presenting dishes that are both visually stunning and delicious. Think succulent lamb biryani, slow-cooked to perfection, with tender meat that melts in your mouth and rice infused with a symphony of spices. Or delicate sushi, crafted with the freshest seafood, each piece a testament to the skill and precision of the chef. And for those craving a taste of home, there are always familiar favorites, elevated with a touch of QACC flair. Comfort food that brings a sense of warmth and nostalgia, yet surprises with a unique twist. But it's not just about variety, it's about regional specificity. Each dish is a tribute to the culinary traditions of its origin, prepared with ingredients that are true to the region's heritage. Fly to Italy, and you might be treated to a creamy risotto, infused with the earthy aroma of porcini mushrooms. A dish that captures the essence of Italian cuisine, rich in flavor and tradition. Head to Japan, and expect delicate sashimi, sliced with razor-sharp precision. Each piece is a work of art, reflecting the meticulous care and attention to detail that Japanese cuisine is known for. It's this attention to detail, this commitment to reflecting the nuances of each region, that makes dining with Qatar Airways a truly immersive experience. Every meal is a journey, a chance to explore the world through its flavors, and to discover the stories behind each dish. In the world of Qatar Airways, every meal served is a journey of precision. From the meticulous selection of ingredients to the exacting standards of preparation, nothing is left to chance. It's a symphony of flavors, crafted with care and expertise. Each dish is a testament to the dedication and skill of our culinary team, ensuring that every bite is an exceptional experience. This is not just dining, this is a journey of precision. At Qatar Airways, every detail is meticulously crafted to elevate your in-flight experience. From the finest ingredients to the most exquisite presentation, we ensure that each meal is a journey in itself. Our commitment to excellence is unwavering, making your comfort and satisfaction our top priority. Sustainability and innovation are at the heart of Qatar Airways' culinary philosophy. We are dedicated to reducing our environmental footprint by sourcing local and sustainable ingredients. Our chefs continually experiment with new techniques and flavors, ensuring that our menu evolves with the times while honoring our rich culinary heritage. Our chefs pour their heart and soul into every dish they create. Their passion and dedication are evident in every bite, offering you a dining experience that is both memorable and delightful. From the first taste to the last, you can feel the love and care that goes into our food. Qatar Airways goes beyond the ordinary to provide an extraordinary dining experience. We strive to exceed your expectations, delivering meals that are not just food, but a celebration of flavors and cultures. With every flight, we aim to take your taste buds on a journey, soaring above and beyond what you imagined possible.